Anthropic, the AI company behind Claude, just hit $1 billion run rate on a coding tool they launched 6 months ago. But that's not the interesting part. The head of Claude Code, Boris Cherny, told Wired that developers using the tool have stopped gaming. They'd rather ship features than play video games. That's not a productivity story. That's a behavioral transformation. When a work tool becomes more engaging than entertainment, something fundamental has shifted in what builders want to spend their time on. Claude Code is Anthropic's AI coding assistant that runs in your terminal. Unlike chatbots that just answer questions, this tool can read your files, write code, and execute commands directly on your machine. It operates like a collaborator sitting next to you. Boris Cherny, who leads the project, built it as a side project to fix his own workflow frustrations. He wanted AI that felt like a natural extension of the developer environment, not a separate chat window. The tool launched in May 2025, and here's where it gets wild. It hit $1 billion annual run rate within 6 months. Vercel's CTO, Malte Ubel, said he used Claude Code during vacation to finish a project that was originally planned to take a year miters in 1 week. Cherny himself runs 10 to 15 concurrent Claude Code sessions at once, 5 in terminal tabs, another 5 to 10 in browser windows, plus mobile sessions he starts in the morning and checks throughout the day. That's not using a tool. That's orchestrating an army. And last week, Anthropic released Cowork Miter as essentially Claude Code for non-programmers. It lets the AI work directly with files on your desktop. The kicker? They built the entire Cowork feature in about a week and a half, using Claude Code itself. Every AI company is running the same pitch. Save time, boost productivity, do more with less. Anthropic stumbled onto something different. When implementation friction drops to near zero, the constraint isn't coding speed anymore. It's taste. It's judgment. What's actually worth building? This flips the entire value proposition. The old framing was AI as a productivity tool that saves hours. The new reality is AI as something so engaging that the hours disappear anyway. You just spend them shipping instead of consuming. Small teams with this leverage are going to demolish traditional organizations. A CTO finishing a year of work in a week. A feature built in 10 days that would take enterprise teams 10 weeks just to scope. The gap isn't technology access. Everyone can sign up. The gap is execution speed and willingness to actually use the tools. Pay attention to the burnout signals. Ars Technica just ran a piece on developers burning out with AI coding agents. Not because the tools are bad, but because when building becomes this easy, people try to build everything. The new skill isn't coding faster. It's saying no to projects that don't matter. Also watch how Cowork changes non-technical work. Right now it's Mac only. Windows coming mid-year. If file-based AI agents become standard, a lot of knowledge work gets restructured around what humans should decide versus what AI should execute. The tools are here. The question is who actually uses them. We cover the AI and tech shifts that matter for builders. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of what's coming. See you in the next one.